Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, because Cadillac has officially returned in the most spectacular way imaginable. Today, we're talking about the $1.5 million Cadillac V16 Hartmann Cabriolet, a car that doesn't just make a statement, it defines an era of automotive opulence. This isn't just another luxury car. This is Cadillac flexing its engineering muscle and redefining what it means to combine classic craftsmanship with modern technology. From the moment you set your eyes on this car, you know it's something special. The design is a breathtaking blend of elegance and aggression, perfectly capturing Cadillac's iconic style while pushing the boundaries of what a modern luxury convertible can look like. The long, sweeping hood flows effortlessly into a sculpted grille adorned with Cadillac's emblem, instantly signaling prestige and performance. Every line on this car tells a story, from the hand-finished chrome accents to the precise curvature of the fenders. The proportions are classic yet unmistakably contemporary, giving it a presence that stops traffic even when standing still. Under the hood, Cadillac has resurrected the legendary V16 engine, a symbol of ultimate power and refinement. This 16-cylinder powerhouse produces mind-blowing horsepower and torque that you can feel in your chest every time you press the accelerator. The engine's rumble is a symphony of mechanical perfection, combining the growl of raw power with the smoothness of a luxury motor. It's paired with an advanced transmission system designed to deliver power seamlessly, whether you're cruising on a scenic boulevard or accelerating onto the open highway. Every shift is buttery smooth, yet explosive when needed. Driving the Hartmann Cabriolet is not just transportation, it's a visceral experience. The car hugs corners with remarkable stability, thanks to a state-of-the-art suspension system that balances comfort with performance. You feel connected to the road without ever compromising the lavish ride quality that Cadillac is known for. Step inside, and the level of craftsmanship will blow you away. The interior is an opulent sanctuary, designed with a discerning luxury enthusiast in mind. Hand-stitched leather seats embrace you with unparalleled comfort, while polished wood trim and brushed metal accents showcase meticulous attention to detail. Cadillac has spared no expense in making this cabin a place where luxury meets innovation. Every control is intuitively placed, from the futuristic infotainment system to the advanced climate control, ensuring that both driver and passengers experience absolute comfort. Ambient lighting subtly highlights the contours of the interior, creating an atmosphere that's both sophisticated and inviting. Even the smallest touches, like precision stitching on the steering wheel and bespoke embroidery on the seats, remind you that this is more than a car, it's a work of art. Technology in the Hartmann Cabriolet is equally impressive. Cadillac has integrated cutting-edge systems that elevate safety, convenience, and performance. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assistance, every feature is designed to make driving effortless while maintaining a focus on pure enjoyment. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a massive touchscreen display, high-fidelity audio system, and connectivity options that keep you seamlessly integrated with the digital world. Yet, despite all this technology, Cadillac has retained a sense of analog charm, giving you the best of both worlds. The cabin feels like a private luxury suite on wheels, combining modern convenience with timeless elegance. The convertible top of the Hartmann is a marvel of engineering, designed to deploy smoothly and silently, transforming the car from a commanding coupe to an open-air luxury cruiser in seconds. When the top is down, you experience the world around you in a way that few cars can offer: wind in your hair, the growl of the V16 in your ears, and the attention of everyone around you. This is not just a car for driving, it's a car for being seen in, for making a statement wherever you go. Every detail, from the chrome-trimmed windshield to the perfectly contoured rear deck, has been crafted with precision to create a vehicle that is as much sculpture as machine. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about presence, control, and confidence. Cadillac has equipped the V16 Hartmann Cabriolet with advanced braking and traction systems, allowing it to handle even the most challenging roads with ease. Whether you're carving through winding mountain passes or cruising along the coast, the car inspires confidence and exhilaration in equal measure. Its size and luxury never compromise its agility, making every drive a memorable event. The V16 engine ensures that acceleration is instantaneous, while the finely tuned chassis keeps the ride composed and refined. This is Cadillac proving that a car can be both grand and thrilling at the same time. Exclusivity is another defining factor of the Hartmann Cabriolet. With a price tag of $1.5 million, this is a car that is made for those who demand the very best and who appreciate the rarity and prestige that comes with owning such a masterpiece. Each vehicle is hand-assembled with a focus on customization and personalization, allowing owners to create a car that reflects their unique taste and style. From custom paint finishes to bespoke interior detailing, no two Hartmann cabriolets are exactly alike. Cadillac has truly brought back the spirit of bespoke luxury, making this car not just a purchase but an investment in automotive artistry. In conclusion, the Cadillac V16 Hartmann Cabriolet is more than just a car. It's a statement, a revival of a legendary nameplate, and a modern masterpiece that combines cutting-edge technology with timeless design. It challenges the norms of what luxury cars should be, pushing boundaries in power, elegance, exclusivity. For anyone passionate about cars, this is a moment to witness Cadillac at its absolute finest, delivering an experience that is unforgettable in every sense. If you ever dreamed of owning a car that blends history, craftsmanship, and jaw-dropping performance, the Hartmann Cabriolet is exactly that. Cadillac is back, and it has arrived in a way that will leave enthusiasts speechless and the automotive world buzzing for years to come. So buckle up, because this is not just a ride, it's an experience, a masterpiece, and a triumph of design and engineering. The $1.5 million Cadillac V16 Hartmann Cabriolet is here, and it will blow your mind.